Let's solve the housing crisis and the clean energy transition with affordable net zero energy accessory dwelling units. The 672 square foot home already built in Chico produces 2 million more watt hours a year than it consumes. Comfort is maintained without air conditioning until the outside temperature hits 99 degrees. We'll know this week if Cal Next is moving ahead with funding construction of two net zero energy ADUs for the Chico Housing Action Team. This 288 square foot studio will be built for under $90,000 hard construction cost. Our 7 ADU designs use our patented and patent pending building envelopes to build in affordable net zero energy. Got backyard?